Alrighty, top camera, bam. What's up, guys? AK back. Sorry about that. Internet just like kaput. Entire house. Sometimes, yeah, we're living like in the suburban. Anyway, very important. I show from the beginning how I start soldering wires here. I did it wrong. I have to resolder. Actually, this way I didn't pay attention, but it took like another 5 minutes. Not big deal, especially when I'm not on the camera. Anyway, so if you hear, that's the laptop making that fan. Almost like brand new Apple Pro, whatever. But so done. Try to not pull a lot, but that's my cable management. I don't want to say that's good. Means the speaker is not touching, and I'll put my finger gloves for assembly. Not my hands very clean, but just procedure. Nothing else. It's pretty good. I already tested it every time before I do a final assembly. Of course, I did test it again after the lights and motor, and again and again and again. The only one thing, because of that plug. Usually, yes, it's good. Usually, when I'm installing stuff like this for years, but yeah, just make sure wire's not touching anything, and you can a little bit like twist in this area, just rotate the tender, okay, around, and that's it. And I'm assembling right with you guys. I hear some questions about special tool to remove the body of the tender. I don't know much about, guys. Yeah, so if no wires on the way, you can do it like this and rotate it immediately. Let's put this guy a little bit on the side here. It's not really on the way. Yeah, just check, make sure no wires sticking out. Maybe this guy a little bit. I just push it inside. That's fine. Okay, guys, don't get me wrong. This is not the installation for beginners. It's just showing you beginners should watch it and not making mistakes, or maybe not even trying to attempt, because this is about 7 out of 10. All right, it's just my personal scale thing. Complicity, yeah, close to 7, because means I thought about how to do the plug and keep the plug and keep this engine. Customer can, if decided to sell it. Usually I don't like plugs. I'm moving plugs if it anyway. But if the customer decided to sell it, it can be very easy disconnected, packed back in the box, and good to go. Not like I'm super happy about that construction. I like screws here, but again, the shell is actually pretty much sit tight. It's not vibrating or doing anything like that, and we'll test it right away, guys. One more time, I resolder everything, so if you're watching my first part, you need to watch the second part as well. Means we're in the second part anyway. Well, for that plug, I have special, I hope I can find it. I saw them, but let's do it again. I saw them. My special, of course, everything's complicated in DCC world. Yeah, it's very easy. It's like more fun. It is fun. Where is it? Yes, I got it. I got this guy. Made in Italy, like Italian, but I think it's for dentists, whatever. It's nice. I got it as a present near our shop. It was guys who's selling that medical. That's how I'm doing it. You can put everything on the side. It's not like side, right? Okay, because it has that angle, it just fits good. All right, we'll put it on the second one. I'll try to assemble it and give it to the customer as is. So I'll make like special box after we're done. Let's confirm. All right, so we're going to side camera. Ooh, test track, yeah. All right, let's put this guy up. Of course, I'm on the programming track, no messing around. Light's kind of not very nice here. I'll try my best. Actually, not doing bad. Here we go. Yeah, wheels. The wheels, those main wheels, they have some very weird cover. Maybe it's black from the beginning. I saw they more like a powder of like burn engine powder, something like this. I don't know, guys. Again, bear with me. So we're going to the test track first and reading address. Address is F8 program regular ID reset direct address 3 because it's easy for me for that controller. Okay, now turn off programming. Very nice. It may be jerking for right now, but again, needs to run in. It's almost brand new locomotive. And adjust a lot of adjustments. Yeah, see. Light is very nice. The rear light is cool too. Losing a little bit contact, but again, it was sitting for a while. All right, didn't adjust any sounds. Needs to run in very seriously and lubricate it and check again everything, and then adjust speed step table, definitely acceleration, deceleration. I put a little bit more so it's not like just running crazy. I'm not going to blow the horn because I think the horn original is not correct. So that's it for today, guys. Turn it off. If the let's see if the customer can do himself, or I'm glad to readjust everything for him later. All right. Extra charge, of course. Yeah, but if it's like simple thing, no, like a couple of minutes, not big deal. Of course, I'm not charging. Anyway, guys, thank you for be patient with the second part, because what's happened again, just lost. I don't think so. I'm going to put like original video. I think that it's stopped like in okay spot. We already covered everything. Thanks for watching. Thank you supporting channel and business. I'll see you later with another installation very soon. I have Zemo speakers. We're going to review and a bunch of different stuff. A lot of manufacturers bringing more stuff right now, close to the show, I guess. I'll see you later. Thank you again.